Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Navy Federal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, debts, and any savings you might have. Open a spreadsheet or grab a pen and paper to organize your data. Begin by listing your total monthly income. Be sure to include all sources, like salary, side jobs, or passive income. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are things like rent, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Total these expenses for an accurate monthly overview. Now, it's time to compare your income to your expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, you'll need to make adjustments. Identify non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. Consider setting savings goals to ensure you're putting money away each month. With Navy Federal, you can open a savings account to help with this. Next, explore budgeting methods like the 50/30/20 rule. That method suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Choose a budgeting method that you feel comfortable with and stick to it. Set up a monthly budget tracker to monitor your spending. Regularly checking in on your budget will keep you accountable. If you find that you're consistently overspending in certain areas, adjust your budget accordingly. Navy Federal credit cards and loans can help build your credit if used wisely, but only borrow what you can afford. Periodically review your budget and financial goals, at least once every few months. Adjust your budget to reflect any changes in income or expenses. Finally, celebrate small victories along the way as you stick to your budget. This will keep you motivated and on track toward your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.